Okay, so in this video, I'm going to introduce you to what After Effects and Premiere Pro are and when you would actually use them. I'm also going to show you how you can actually download them and talk a bit about the Adobe Creative Cloud Network. Now, if you haven't heard of Adobe or you don't know who they are, that's okay. At some point though, you would have heard of the program Photoshop. And Photoshop is an industry-leading photo editing program that is made by Adobe. Now, Adobe is not only responsible for After Effects and also Premiere Pro, but they offer a wide range of industry-leading programs for the creative industry. Now, After Effects is a visual-based program made by Adobe. It's basically a program that we use to create animations, motion graphics, right through to visual effects. It's widely used in the industry, and it's one of the few programs that can actually be used at a beginner entry level right through to an expert industry level. Now, specifically in this course, I'm not only going to be showing you how to use Adobe After Effects, but I'm going to be showing you how you can use it to create all sorts of visual effects and motion graphics. Now, on the other side, we have Premiere Pro, which is primarily used as a video editor. Now, you can make basic titles and graphics inside of Premiere, but its main function is to just edit video. Now, After Effects and Premiere Pro work seamlessly together by using a dynamic link, which allows you to work on each program at the same time, and we're going to talk more about this later in this course. Now, all of Adobe's programs are available to download via their Creative Cloud. Now, the Creative Cloud is available in a number of subscription plans, and there's plenty of different plans on offer if you say just wanted one specific program. Now, I can just go through and choose any one of these individual programs on a monthly plan, or I could get all of the available Adobe apps at one monthly fee. Now, you can download any of these apps via the Creative Cloud anywhere in the world that you have an internet connection, and it'll work on both Mac and PC. Now, once you've downloaded the apps, you don't need a continuous internet connection. And all of the apps are available to download on a free trial basis through Adobe's Creative Cloud. Now, you can go to these web addresses on screen to get more information about Adobe's Creative Cloud, After Effects, or Premiere Pro. And if you have any further questions on this subject, please let me know.